Hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Hi, Daniel.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, Ethan, you have a very nice bow tie on today.
Yeah.
Wow, that is special.
Thank you.
I love it. I love it. And Daniel, what a cool red clock you have behind you. How neat.
Okay.
What time is it where you are, Daniel?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Is it night or morning?
Night.
Ah, did you know it is morning where I am? 7 a.m. So, what does she do?
She ate noodles.
Very good. Now, Ethan, let's pretend it's yesterday. What did she do?
She did eat.
She ate.
She ate her noodles yesterday.
Very good. Excellent job. Okay, so Ethan, let's pretend it's today. What does he do? He is making a robot. Daniel, let's pretend it was yesterday. Make or made?
Made. He made a robot.
Very good. Do you like his robot?
No.
No. What would you do
It's
different?
super.
It's not super? Okay, let's make it super. Ready? How do we need to make it super? Maybe a cape?
He can fly.
Ooh, he can fly. Ready? Now he is super. Yeah? Like a super.
But he is one.
He's just one?
Yes. Two.
Oh, we need two robots? Do you like my robot?
No. Isn't super.
It's not super. It's okay. Let's keep going. Good job, students. Hey, Daniel, you asked Ethan, what did you do yesterday evening?
What did you do yesterday evening?
You guess. Okay, this will be fun. Daniel, what do you think Ethan did yesterday? Do you think he built a robot?
No.
You said guess. You said guess, Ethan. We will make up what you did yesterday.
Guess.
Okay. Did you go flying on an airplane?
No. Did you eat dinner?
Did you eat dinner?
Yes.
You eat dinner. Ooh, what did he eat for dinner, Daniel? Did he eat a big cake?
No.
He ate rice. Okay. Ethan, what did you do yesterday evening? Did we get it right?
Good guess.
Good guess. Okay, Ethan, you asked Daniel, what did you do yesterday evening? So, okay, imagine you are asked to go to a dinner party with 10 people. And your host, I say, Ethan, Daniel, come to my house. I am going to have a dinner party. We will eat noodles and kiwi and hamburgers.
But
the party...
I have to
do my homework. You have to do your homework?
Yes.
Oh, so Ethan can't come, but Daniel, the party will start at 6:30. What time will you come?
No, I have to do my homework.
You will not come. Neither. You will not come to.
I'm sorry. I'm now go to your parties.
I am so happy. You can bring your homework. We can do your homework together.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, good. Woohoo. Okay. When would you go to my party? When would you come? Would you show up just at 6:30?
No.
No. When would you come?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? You would help me set up. Good. Thank you. Daniel, let's say you would come at 9 o'clock? Wow. Wow, you boys are so helpful. Thank you so much for helping set the
24 o'clock.
24 o'clock. No, it is good to be a little early. Well, students, that is all the time we have for today. So sad. But I hope that you had a fun time. And I will see you next time, okay?
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time, students. Today was fun. Bye-bye, Daniel. Bye, Ethan. Bye. Have a good day. See you later. Bye-bye.